Hello everybody, and today we're going to be playing a game called BTD Battles. No, BTD Battles. It's balloon tower defense, but this time it's monkeys, as you see here, monkeys. Yeah, so we're just going to go straight into it. It might take some time to find some people because I'm in Dubai, as you guys know. Okay, yeah, guys, we're going into a match. Okay, this guy doesn't want money, but look at my money. 2,327. Okay, yeah, this is the deck I use. The guy just skipped the map without me. Okay, so I'm going to choose the ninja monkey, the apprentice, that's a monkey wizard, and the engineer. I'll show you what these guys can do, and you get a bonus anyone you want. No, not the helicopter. Yes, the monkey sub. I love that card. And now all we have to do is wait for the other guy to come. Yes, he's done. Okay, guys, we're going straight into it. So what I use is the ninja monkey here, and then I just upgrade it. And then I use other cards too. I'll place all of them down to show you what they do. Oh yeah, you can upgrade them to make them make them better and ready for any battle. I haven't got all the tires. Those are the tires, or the power-ups. Yeah, and you have to get these battle things, and then if you get them, you can upgrade the tires. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade the monkey sub now because the monkey sub's actually really good for far range. Even though that circle is how much the range can do, even though it doesn't look big, but if it's all the way back here and it's got double dots, it can shoot all the way for the balloons there. It's really cool. And it follows the balloon wherever it goes. Oh yeah, if you hear my little brother in the background, he's doing a video too. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's sending out balloons like mad. Uh-oh. No. Guys, 2 balloons went in. Wasn't focusing. Too busy talking to you guys. So, yeah, this one just do instant magic fireball. Then you get electricity, lightning. Did I mention fireball? Monkey sense. Like, you know these? You don't see it. Monkey sense. I haven't unlocked these, but there's fire. There's fireball, tornado, something after tornado, and flame eagle for fire. Okay, I'm gonna send him balloons because he can send balloons to make the other opponent make the other opponent harder to actually win the match. Yeah. I'm gonna show you what Engineer Monkey does. It's really cool. By the way, you should really download this game. It shoots and you kill. You shoot and it spawns turrets to kill. Look, see a turret. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade this Engineer Monkey to its max upgrade that I've got so far. And then we're gonna do another match because why not? Wait, I'm just checking something. Okay, yeah. Okay, longer range area because now we can spawn more turrets. Look how far the turrets can shoot. What? Guys, I say these yellow balloons are the best balloons to send out around here. Best, I'm saying the best. Believe me, look how fast they are. Nothing can get in their way. Look at them go. But this bomb monkey's just too hard. Okay, yeah, that's another upgrade. What I need to do, upgrade this guy and upgrade this guy. I'm not gonna get a double shot because, as you see, the bomb makes him dizzy. It makes him stop. It's really cool. Yeah, that's basically what you do in BTD battles. Look, you can barely. You only can see like one balloon each time on my side. Yes, flash bomb. Look at that. Look at that. It just blows up. By the way, these I think that these are steel. You can't see, but they're steel balloons, which are steel, and if they don't have something that has fire, it won't break, and then it can just easily get through. That's what makes the game so hard. Okay, guys, I'll just be right back. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Just keep an eye on. Keep an eye on.
Sorry, guys. I just need to quickly do something. That's why I am still beings of his. Still beings of his. Okay, I am just quickly doing something. Doing something. Okay, I am done. It's okay. No. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for whatever is happening. Just some malfunctioning is going on with my iPad. Sorry.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I just need to go somewhere. Am I doing good? Oh, someone in. 20,000 for the other upgrade. Wow. Whoa. What is he sending? I need... What is happening? Okay, guys. What happened? Oh my god, I've just gone for a few seconds and I lost so much health. Guys, I'm gonna save up for that red balloon. You know what that red balloon does? Okay, the red balloon, if it's destroyed, it sends out 4 of those blue balloons. Yeah? And then, when those blue balloons are destroyed, they are literally the best. Okay. Oh wait, here comes the big dance. Then I'm going to upgrade my balloon status. So now it's more powerful. Then more chance of it succeeding. Oh, it's getting destroyed easily. But not on my watch. If those get in, that take him all out. Seriously. Boom, boom, I won. I've won. Oh yeah. Guys, I won. I fought him. I fought.